These Nissan Rogue floor mats are insane. And I don't say that lightly because these might be the most perfect fitting floor mats I've ever put in a car. If you drive a Nissan Rogue and you're tired of cheap mats sliding around, smelling weird or letting water leak onto your carpet, this video is going to save you a lot of time and money. These are custom laser 3D scanned floor mats made specifically for the Nissan Rogue from 2021 through 2026. That includes the S model, SV model, SL model, and Platinum trims. Now look at this. Edge-to-edge coverage. There are zero gaps. They lock directly into the factory clips and they don't move at all. This is the kind of precise fit you usually only see in those super premium, expensive brands. It's absolutely perfect. Now, let's talk materials. These are made from a non-toxic odorless TPE material, which means no gross rubber smell even when your car is baking in the summer heat. That's huge if you've got kids, pets, or you just don't want your Rogue smelling like a tire shop. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference in your daily drive. For all weather protection, these things are unbeatable. They have nearly 3 inches of raised edges, so any rain, slush, snow, or mud stays right on the mat, not on your carpet where it can cause stains and mildew. They're completely waterproof, stain-resistant, and non-slip, making them perfect for winter, summer, road trips, or just your daily commute. Anything you throw at them, they can handle it. Here's a bonus. There's extra carpet coverage under the driver's seat. This little detail not only slows down wear and tear from your shoes, but actually feels softer and more comfortable underfoot while you're driving. It's a thoughtful touch that protects your investment long-term. Cleaning is stupid easy. Got dirt, sand, mud, just rinse them with water or wipe them down with a cloth and you're done. Install literally takes minutes. Just snap them into the original factory clips and you're locked in and ready to go. No fuss, no hassle. And if there's any issue at all, their customer support has your back. They offer hassle-free service and they actually respond quickly, which is a rare find these days. So if you want your Nissan Rogue interior protected the right way, these floor mats are an absolute no-brainer. Thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. I really hope this video helped you out. If you want to dive deeper into the specs, check out that link below. I've also picked out another video I think you'll love, which you can find right over here in the corner. I love hearing from you guys, so drop a comment and let's chat. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button and subscribe to join the community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.